How to download and install VLC Media Player. First, launch your internet browser. So I'm using Chrome in this scenario. Go right on google.com. In search engine, you'll have to type in VLC Media Player. So if you see in the first search itself, in the starting link, we have the official VLC Media Player website. We see we have the website over here, and down we have for Windows VLC for Windows, VLC for Mac OS, and we have for Android, and we have for Chrome OS as well. So you can click on these links as well to download directly if you're using Windows or Mac. So I'll be showing you normal step. Click on the website. Now, if you see in the first landing page itself, we have VLC Media Player, so where we can download. So you can see beside the download VLC, you can see an arrow mark. You can select whichever system process you are using, or your system OS or Windows. You can click on Windows 64-bit, which you are going to use, and you can see download link will be all automatically gets enabled. So you can click on VLC. Since I'm using Windows 64-bit, the website has already detected operating system. So I'm also here, we have the VLC Media Player version, that is 3.0.20, the latest one. So I can just click on download VLC. So the download will automatically gets enabled. So if not, you can click on here if your download has not begun. So mine download has already begun. So once it finish, I'm going to click on the open folder. So we have the VLC setup over here. So what you'll have to do is just double click on the VLC setup. Then you can click on next. Click on next. This options will be enabled by itself. You can give as recommended or full or minimum. You can give us, since we're in custom, so you can see it's already everything is enabled. If not, you can just click on full. So everything gets enabled. So I'm just going to keep on custom, or you can keep on recommended, which is much better. Then you can click on next. The VLC Media Player will be installed. Once your installation is completed, you can see you can enable this or disable. So if you just click on, if you enable this run VLC Media, when you press finish, your VLC Media Player will open. So this is how you download and install a VLC Media Player. So hope it was an informative one. Do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.